I'll say this, I've seen you, how passionate you are in protecting our weakest citizens and some that no longer have a voice. But I also want to give you credit because your passion is matched by your compassion. I think people should know that you are willing to look at the whole person, whether it's certainly a victim or a victim's family, give them the time that they deserve, but also people that are enmeshed in the criminal justice system. I know that you and I have worked a lot on diversion programs for people that need a second chance or trying to get at the root of what maybe is causing people to commit crimes. If somebody's got to go to jail, they're going to go, but I've seen your compassion really come through in many great ways as you've been our first assistant here.
It's not a one-size-fits-all assessment. You know, you have to look at a nonviolent offender and see, you know, how they can be rehabilitated and how they can reenter the community and be a productive citizen. And I think the statistics prove that the more we're able to do that, the lower recidivism. So, you know, obviously, you know, it's the whole picture. You can't
whole
just
picture.
The whole picture.
That's right. I know the only person that's more excited to have you replace me, or the only group, is probably our police officers. You have a great relationship with the police. I know they're looking forward to having you lead them as their district attorney, as our district attorney. I am very relieved that you've decided to take on this challenge. You are incredibly equipped to do so. You're going to blaze a great trail of public safety for us here. You probably have so many ideas of things that I never could have thought of in ways to keep our community safe and informed. I'm grateful that you're accepting this challenge. You're going to have a 2-year live audition. I would love to give you the last word as we conclude here today.
Well, you know, we're so fortunate in Bucks County. We do have, you know, the best of the best in law enforcement, and I love that. And this starts at the top, Matt. You know, as an office, we build those relationships with our officers so that the communication happens early on and there's a mutual respect for, you know, the job. And, you know, we are not police officers in the traditional sense. I mean, we're all under the umbrella of law enforcement, but we work together as partners and help, you know, identify issues and work through those issues and help prepare for a successful prosecution. And, you know, that is something I'm very proud of, the relationship I have with law enforcement. I cannot tell you how every time, and this is to kind of bring it full circle with the grand jurors, at the conclusion of their term, which is often 2 years as mentioned, they are blown away with the level of skill and intelligence and professionalism that our law enforcement officers display when they're presenting the cases to the grand jury. And it is, few people know really what they do. It's remarkable. So I hope and pray that I can continue to have that relationship with law enforcement. And it is definitely something that continues to motivate me to love this job and know that we're working in a community where people genuinely care and we want to keep it safe.
We are very fortunate. This is Matt Weintraub, the current Bucks County District Attorney, but I feel really fortunate to be able to share this moment with you, Jen, and to be able to tell you all who are watching this that you are going to be in great hands for the foreseeable future when Jen becomes our district attorney here in Bucks County. Be safe.